Hey friends, it's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. I am home from work and I am the grill master at my house. I'm just curious, at your house, who is the grill master? Ricky loves to get outside and like work in the yard, but he has never been one to love the grill. He don't like the heat. He doesn't like to cook. Yesterday he actually cooked a good family dinner because we had family Sunday for my son-in-law's birthday, and he actually cooked for us and it was delicious, but he rarely ever cooks. And I love to cook. I love to cook in the house and outside the house. And let me show you what we're doing tonight. Look at these bad boys. This is a country pork rib. They have a little bit of bone in them. They're so good. You can season them in so many ways. I actually used Ricky's favorite grilling season tonight. And I put some barbecue sauce on a couple of them. And then I did the grilling sauce, or Ricky's grilling sauce, on the others. Look at this one right here. Got a little bit of bone, perfect meat. They are a little fatty, but man, that fat gives so much flavor. So guys, I'm just curious, at your house, who is the grill master? And if it's not you, I want to know your favorite thing that the hubby or your daughter or your friend actually grills. I'm using a Traeger pellet grill because my dad gave it to me. My dad loved the Traegers and the Pit Boss. Oops, sorry. He loved the Traegers and the Pit Boss. He first bought this Traeger. This is the very first one he bought. And then he decided he wanted a bigger one. So he gave me this one. He gifted it to me. And I've been using it ever since. And since he's passed away, he's got two big old Pit Bosses on his back porch that I more than likely will take one of those and leave the other one for Mom. And I just love to grill. I love chicken legs. I love steak. Y'all know I love to grill a good steak. Hang on just a second. Let me open this door. Oh, goodness. No tutu. But I'm just curious, at your house, who is the grill master and what is your favorite thing to either grill or request to be grilled? These are going to be delicious. I've got a side of roasted broccoli to go along with these delicious pork country ribs. That one's pretty thick. That one's pretty nice and fatty. They're so good, guys. These three have barbecue sauce on them, and these three do not. And for them to stay warm, I'm just going to stick them in the oven with our broccoli. Guys, we're going to have a great dinner. So as you jump on, let me know where you're watching from. And if you're the pit master, I want to know your favorite thing to grill. And if you're not, I want to know your favorite thing you request your spouse to grill for you, or your friend or your daughter, whoever's doing the grill, whoever's turning the grill on at your house. I'd love to know your favorite one. So I have the Traeger. My dad loved the pellet grill. It's just so easy. Well, Ricky says. And I'll tell you, Ricky doesn't like to grill, but he has to help me clean it. So I don't think there's a easy grill to clean. Ricky's dad loves charcoal, but we just moved away from it because it's so dirty. And it's so hard for me to do anything by myself with charcoal grill. So when my dad bought the pellet and he shared that one with me, I just grill even more. Oh yeah, Debbie likes steak and spare ribs. See, I don't really know. I'm really not a huge rib fan, but I really love these little country pork ribs. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off because, I mean, when you stick something on the grill, there's not a whole lot of work to be done. So I've been cleaning around the house a little bit, packing my gym bag for in the morning. Ricky's been mowing the yard, and I know he just not to give me a look and said, when I said I've been cleaning the house, Ricky Dove, you give me a look. I'm gonna throw him outside with that heated grill and make him just sit beside it and wait on it. Oh yeah, Vedette, is that how you say your name? I love that. My husband used charcoal Weber. There's so many awesome grills now. My dad has one of the Pit Bosses now, or did he was using one, and it's pellets, but it also has a flame. So tell me how that works. I don't know. Sounds complicated to me. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off. Y'all have a great night. If I can help you with anything, just let me know. We're going to have a super easy, clean meal tonight, and that is just throwing some meat on the grill, roasted broccoli for a side dish, and we're going to feel good. It's going to taste good, easy peasy. We love to eat and cook easy peasy because that creates success, not just for this month and next month, for long term. All right, guys, if you're new and you don't have my getting started tip, say getting started. I'd love to give it to you. So when you jump on, make sure you tell me, are you the pit master or are you just the requester? And if you're requesting, what are you requesting? And if you're the pit master, what's your favorite thing to grill? See you guys later. Bye.